one of the most exciting upcoming flagship smartphones of the year, the Nubia Z70 Ultra. From jaw-dropping design to powerhouse performance, this device promises to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're uncovering everything you need to know about the Nubia Z70 Ultra. Let's start with the design. If you love the sleek and premium feel of the Nubia Z60 Ultra, you're in for a treat. The Z70 Ultra maintains the same iconic design language, but takes it up a notch with exciting new color options. It's all about elegance combined with a bold look that makes a statement. Whether you're a fan of minimalistic or vibrant colors, the Z70 Ultra has something for everyone. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because Nubia isn't holding back. The Z70 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, yes, the latest and greatest from Snapdragon. Expect lightning-fast speeds, seamless multitasking, and gaming performance that'll leave you speechless. Whether you're into high-performance apps or immersive gaming, this phone is built to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Moving on to the display. The Z70 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch high-resolution display, a noticeable upgrade over its predecessor. The enhanced resolution means sharper visuals, more vibrant colors, and smoother scrolling. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming, this display is an absolute showstopper. Now, for the camera enthusiasts out there, Nubia is stepping up its game with a 50MP Sony sensor. This means better optimization, clearer details, and vibrant colors in every shot. Whether you're shooting in low light or capturing stunning landscapes, the Z70 Ultra ensures you'll never miss a moment. It's all about delivering a camera experience that's truly flagship-worthy. And finally, let's talk battery. The Z70 Ultra comes with an upgraded 6,500 mAh battery, compared to the 6,000 mAh on the Z60 Ultra. This means even more screen time, whether you're streaming, gaming, or just staying connected throughout the day. It's a power upgrade that makes a real difference. So, there you have it, the Nubia Z70 Ultra, a smartphone that combines stunning design, next-gen performance, an immersive display, incredible camera tech, and long-lasting battery life. If you're looking for a device that delivers on all fronts, the Z70 Ultra might just be your perfect match. Are you as excited as I am? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.